morning everyone. Today I am going to cover CNC part programming part 2, which is about your G codes and their preparation. G codes, already we know about G codes. G codes means preparatory codes, how it works and how different types of codes are used for making a part programming. So we are going to start with some codes here. There are different type of G codes we already discussed. So starting with application of some codes like G01, this is called linear interpolation, and the format of this code like N, this is serial number, and G01, it means linear interpolation movement start. Then we define coordinate x, y, z and provide feed. Sometimes spindle speed is also provided. So basically linear interpolation results in a straight line feed move. Unless tool compensation is used, the coordinates are associated with the center line of the tool. As an example, for the motion that occurs in xy plane with the same maximum speed for the x and y axis, and initial motion is at an angle of 45 to the axis until motion in one direction. So basically this is called point to point motion in G01 interpolation. So there are different type of polation like G00, it means rapid traverse. G02, it means you can say circular interpolation clockwise. G03, circular interpolation but counterclockwise, you can say. So there are different type of codes which we used for making a part programming. So basically, as already we discussed, there are different type of codes. So you have to remember all the codes, and now discuss the canned cycle which is used for making a drilling operation in drilling. So the sequence of some machining operations is may be the same for any part and for any machine. For example, drilling a hole involves the following steps. Basically there are 4 steps for making a drill in any machined part. So basically, first, position the tool above the point where the hole will be drilled. Then second, set the correct spindle speed. Then third, feed the tool into the workpiece at a controlled feed rate to a predetermined depth. Then we have to make tool at a rapid rate to just above the point where we are going to start or started. So these are some commonly used canned cycles starting from code G81 up to G89. Here you can see there are different codes G81, 82, 83, 84, 85 and much more. So every code has some functions. Every code has some down feed, at bottom retraction. So every canned cycles and code is used for different type of drilling operation, you can say different type of functions. So we have to remember all these codes for different canned cycle operations. So now this is a simple example for a CNC milling machine. So first we have to remember all the codes, all the G codes, all the M codes. Then we have to prepare a part program for any type of milling operation or drilling operation or turning operation. Here simply a block diagram shows here for this figure we have to make 4 paths for making desired object. So basically we are going to here milling operation in milling machine. So first pass conventional mill to a depth of 0.125 ground edge profile. Tool 1 is a half-inch dia end tool. So there are different type of tool. So tool 1, as per our requirement, what are the materials used, basically which type of metrics like inches in used or SI matrix is used. So basically it depends on G codes. Here we start with G90 and G20. As you know, G90 is basically absolute dimension, and we also use G91, which is incremental dimension. So G20 is used for inch mode. So all the dimension in inch. M06 is basically miscellaneous codes. M03, M06 for tool 1 is used. M03 basically spindle on, and spindle speed is basically around 1200, and specific speed is given. So basically these are the serial numbers, and these are the operations which is performed on this machining or milling part, So there are 4 passes. This is your second pass, you have to study this. This is the third pass, you have to study this. Then you have to learn how to prepare, and this is the 4th pass. You have to learn how to make climb mill to a depth of 0.1 to 5 across remaining material. So basically we take a small example for understanding this. So we are taking an example like a square 2 inches into 2 inches is to be milled using a half-inch end milling cutter. Write an NC part program to make the square. So this is an example. This is our example, and for making a solution we create a part programming for this object. So basically let us set up the lower left corner of the square at 6.0. It is as per our requirement. We can provide any number on this parameter. At this point you can say 6.6 6,6 is used basically as per requirement. So using tool radius compensation, the square can be produced. Now, so this is the program for making a square. So starting with, you can say this is your part program and this is your explanation. Whenever you write any part program, you have to explain every part, every serial number. Like this is your N0010, this is first serial number. Different codes is used, and this is the explanation of different codes like G41, S1000, F5. G41 basically cutter compensation is provided, as it means spindle speed and feed is provided. So basically starting with this, and these are the serial number. It depends on you, whatever serial number is provided, like N0010, then 2030. You can also provide N001, 2, 3. You also provide N005, N0010, N0015. A particular serial number is provided. So basically, if we go for second step, N0020 serial number, Z00X 6.0, Y 6.0. Basically G00, it means rapid traverse. Tool moves to position X at 6 and Y at 6. So basically in third serial number, G01, it means linear interpolation starts. Tool Z, the position of Z axis minus 1.0, it means plunge down the tool. So now we can say start the milling operation. So basically in next step, tool moves in axis y axis direction 8 inches. So starting with 6 inches, 2 inches increases, and 8 inches, the position of next is 8 inches. It is basically in absolute dimension. So cut to the upper left corner. This is the explanation of this serial number. The next X is in next serial number X8, it means cut to upper right corner. Then next Y6 point, cut to lower right corner. Then X6.0, cut to lower left corner. Then Z1.0, it means lift the tool. We have to lift the tool. And last code represents end compensation M30 and stop the machine. So basically this is the program which is by which we can say, by which we make this entire shape, this entire square shape with the help of milling operation. Thank you everyone for listening me.